Hey guys, welcome back to Apple Tech Review. It's been now 2 months when I'm not making any video, but now I'm back with new tech. We are going to enjoy this, so please sit down and make sure you watch my videos until the end. So today I'm back with backup. This is what we call Jacare solar battery. We can use it as power backup, but today we are not going to talk about this. It's for the next day. So today we are talking about something small. This is called Lightwave. It has 650 VA, which is equal to 390 watts. So we are going to talk about this. We see how we can use this one as backup. Thank you. Let's watch. So guys, let us start with unboxing. Let's go ahead to do unboxing. It has what we call manual user guide. So as you can see, it has AVR technology. You know what this one can do? It can regulate the power. Then this one has the voltage protection. Then here it has what we call advanced power management, LED. Let me go ahead and show you here. So guys, this one can only be charged on the power on electricity. It doesn't work on solar system. So to charge it, you have to use this cable. Then it has outputs from backside here. It has two outputs and it has fuse from here. It is fused. If you can open this one, as you can see, it has fuse inside. So in case of short circuit, the fuse breaks and it stops the flow of power. Then on this side we have on button. Then we have this when the current is on, or like when you are charging LED. It has the battery. When the electricity goes and it goes to battery, then it has this one, low power. Yeah, so this is called Lightwave, or we call it UPS system. When you check on the back here, as you can see, input 230 volts, so meaning it can be only charged on electricity. Then also the output, it also gives you the same power voltage at 230, meaning it can support your system as long as it's not above 390. As you can see, as it is indicated here, you are not supposed to exceed 390 watts. You have to stay below that. Then the whole battery, it is 4 kgs. Yeah, so I want us to go ahead and we first check this one. We see whether it can manage to power a TV 43-inch, also a home theater, or what we call a subwoofer. We see whether it can help us in case the power shuts down and we need to charge our phones and the other things. So it also comes with extra fuse. In case one fuse gets damaged, they give you an extra fuse that you can use. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Let me set up two screens here to see whether it can power them up. Yeah, so guys, this is the setup. These are the gadgets that I want to power up with this backup battery. So from here, as you see, it is already charged, but I don't have power, so I will not put this one. I will just use it the way it is because it has already charged. This is the on button. Before you switch it on, you are going to put your extension cable and then you switch it on. Once it goes on, after giving that beeping sound, it means that it has stabilized the power. As you can see, the extension shows that the power is on. So let's go ahead we switch it off before we put these two gadgets. So this is the TV, this is the woofer. Put on. But before that, the TV has 75 watts. This woofer has 60 watts. Here, watts have increased because this has a lot of LED lights. Sorry about the noise. So let's go ahead, let's power on. Now, as you can see, so far this one is already on. Is already on. Then let's put on the TV. You see, as you can see, it has powered all these one on. But I can assure you that even if you have same size 2 screens or 3 screens, it doesn't add to 390 watts. So this can still help you. But if you're someone who is in the village and you don't have power to charge this one, you need to go for Jacare solar battery. But I'm going to do a review on my next video about Jacare solar battery. So today, as you can see, is working very well. You can as well add up, you can charge. It has another supply. You can add another extension, or you can as well put your house direct from this, and you supply your direct from this one from UPS to the whole house. And if the system is big, you can go ahead and you go for 1000 watts. All right guys, so if you have any comments, please don't forget to put them in comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. See you.